Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, Air sign. This is July bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit it. So Libra, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for Libra and what's going on? Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, what sign? Libra, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What's going on, Libra? Under the deck, Ace of Swords, the World, Emperor, and Wheel of Fortune. Things will turn into your favor. For some, already things are turning into your favor. You are taking your power back. Now you stand by your power. If not, in near future, you will stand by your power. And lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. For some, the cycles between you and your person are ended. And you decided to cut off someone from your life. And there is some communication is coming, some truth is coming out. So let's see our reading. Libra, recent past, the Moon, Two of Swords, and Ten of Pentacles. I think a lot of issues are going between you and your person. There is no stability, lot of trust issues. Maybe your person always in and out of your life. So in past, you are juggling. You are indecisive to make decision either to move on or to stay, because your person is not available to you when you need them. So especially there is no stability. You want stability, but there is no stability. Then present King, Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, and Queen of Swords. They always putting you Nine of Swords energy, which is depression, anxiety, or waiting. So you fed up with this energy. You don't want to be in this energy because Nine of Swords is very, very negative energy. So you decided to focusing on your abundance, focusing on your career, Queen of Pentacles, and at the same time you are setting healthy boundaries. Queen of Swords, because you want best, you deserve best. Then future, Seven of Wands, the Hermit, and Ten of Swords. So you become defensive. You are protecting your emotions. Then you isolated from all, and you are healing from this energy, especially Nine of Swords energy. Yes, you are very, very tired, Libra. You try a lot of times. You fight for this connection. You give a lot of chances to this person, but there is no, I think there is no use. There is no any use. So you want to cut off this person, or you want to end this person, end this relationship with your person. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo, or Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Under the deck, Ten of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Three of Wands, and Seven of Cups. See, lot of confusion. Right now, your person is in lot of confusion. Maybe they have options. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. I think the waiting game is going between you and your person. And Six of Swords. They want to fix the things between both of you, but again they are taking their time, again delay. For some, your person is already married and having kids. Maybe for some, children is also involved in this connection. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Libra. Their current feelings and intentions. King of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. And under the deck, Four of Cups, Star, and Two of Pentacles. Again, juggling. They're juggling between you and their career. Maybe they're juggling between head over their heart. But they're wishing for this connection. They're missing you. They're feeling alone without you. They're King of Cups. Definitely they want to offer their cup of love to you. Page of Pentacles, they want to text you. They want to message you their current feelings. And they're wishing for this connection. These are only their feelings. Let's see their intentions. But they are missing you, Libra. Wow, King of Cups and Queen of Cups. See, there is no equal give and take in past. That's why you decided or you want to cut off this person from your life. But now they're thinking about equal give and take. And they're realizing you both. They're realizing that you are their happiness and or sunshine. Yes, definitely they really want to offer commitment. For some ego, you both have ego problems because Emperor. You both are on the same page. Your person is also in Emperor energy and you also. And their intentions, see, Five of Wands. So, lot of drama is going, lot of fightings, arguments. But your person wishing for this connection. They still want rebirth in this connection. They do love you. I think you also you also have some emotions for this person because King of Cups and Queen of Cups is here. Definitely you both have strong emotions, but you overcome the dependence. Emotionally depending energy you overcome. But your person still want to come back if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yes. They will come, they will make a move towards you, but it will take time because right now your person is very, very slow moving energy. But they're realizing, they're realizing, and the Sun, definitely children's involved in this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they do love you. Lovers. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Definitely, they do love you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. And they want reconciliation if you are in separation. Wow. They are realizing you are their happiness. Wow. Some new cycles are going to be begin very soon. If you let them in. Otherwise, nothing will happen. If you let them in, definitely there will be reconciliation or new beginnings. And lots of you, there is a huge age difference between you and your person. For some, for some, not for all, you decided to cut off this person from your life. Yes, you want to end relationship with this person. For some, not all. For some, maybe you will give another chance to your person. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, because you, for some who want to cut off this person from your life, due to it is becoming hard work for you. Ten of Wands energy, because they are not available to you when you need them. That's why maybe you decided to cut off, but they are coming back to offer equal give and take. Yes, now they're ready to work on this relationship. But Libra, you are focusing on your money. Yes, you are on your power. It's up to you totally. It's in your hands to accept or reject. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But lot of trust issues, what I'm getting here. You are not trusting this person. I'm serious about you. Friendship and religious factors, and I still love you. So the messages are, I'm serious about you, friendship, religious factors, I still love you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Okay, 2 cards. It's time to take action. If you want to make action towards your person, but it came reverse, so this is not a right time. Due to it came reverse. And believe in the impossible, blue moon. So if you're not believing that they are coming back, this is a message for you. Believe in the impossible. Everything is possible. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.